easiest degrees to get online, rewarding online programs that are not rocket science. Earning online degrees poses a challenge. Earning one while taking care of a family or holding down a 9 to 5 can be even tougher. As a result, many aspiring college students, especially these multitaskers, look for bachelor's programs or associate degrees that give them the best chance to succeed. Will a more affordable program make it easier to pay both tuition and everyday bills? Or will a quick program make it easier to get back to work with little to no disruption to their career? The concept of easy depends on the student, but some degree programs can definitely make the journey less taxing. Here we'll look at how certain online bachelor's degrees come into play and how they could help you earn a degree your way. Now we'll discuss about easiest degrees to get online and what makes an online degree easier for you. The first step is to assess your personal and financial situation. Where do your primary challenges and most immediate needs lie? Do you need to keep costs down or maximize flexibility to accommodate a challenging work or kid schedule? To cover all the bases, we have detailed several key points that could make an online degree program attractive to busy parents, working professionals, and others who juggle obligations besides higher education, and ready to discover a quality program at a price you can afford. Flexibility. Incredible flexibility in scheduling is one of the advantages of online learning. And from choosing between semester based terms or accelerated courses, synchronous or synchronous learning, or a mixture of all of the above, distance learning provides an opportunity to make education over dovetail with a hectic schedule. Completely online options. Many students want to take programs entirely online without setting foot in a physical classroom. This allows them to cut out commuting and save money on gas and vehicle maintenance and spend more time focusing on the things that matter to them outside of school. And affordable programs. When it comes to higher education, money is always a consideration. Fortunately, when students choose programs through an accredited high quality school, they can find scholarships, financial aid, and grants. In addition, many online programs charge in state tuition for students who reside out of state, and excellent support services. Tutoring, library services, writing workshops, and more. These are valuable support services that can help students thrive. Add in professional advising, academic counseling, career placement programs, and even alumni networking, and the result is a school that cares about outcomes for each and every student. Number of programs available. Schools that provide a multitude of online programs have invested a great deal of time and money into creating the infrastructure to support those programs. Thus, they are likely on top of their game when it comes to other points as well, such as hiring top notch faculty, planning a rigorous curriculum, and providing ample ways for students to engage with peers during courses. Easiest bachelor's degree to get online. This short list of online bachelor's degrees uh, garnered from our longer ranking of best online colleges looks at specific programs and subjects with affordable costs, flexible scheduling, and extensive course of offerings that can make the degree appealing for those who want an easier path to graduation. Here are our picks for the easiest bachelor's degrees to get online.